Hi, my name is Maybelline. I'm the community manager at the Barkley in Anaheim, and today I will be showing you a video of our beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit 241. And you will be seeing what your new home will look like. This home is located on the 2nd floor. Your kitchen will have a refrigerator, gas stove, and dishwasher already included. Your new home will have central AC and heat. This is your dining area and living room. The guest bathroom, nice and spacious. And right next to that, we'll have the guest bedroom that does open up to the balcony. Your home has a beautiful large closet. And the beautiful thing about our 2 bedrooms is that the rooms are going to be located on opposite ends of the home. Now we're going to the master bedroom. As you can see, it is nice and spacious. You don't have to worry about closet space in this home for sure. And your bathroom is gonna be in your master bedroom. As you can see, you have the hard surface flooring throughout the main walk-in areas of the home. So that way you can enjoy a beautiful clean carpet. The balcony does have access from 2 areas, the living room and the guest bedroom. So let us know if you want to be part of the Barkley community and apply online today.